Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax in Clearwater. We've had a few questions about Eisenglass and the how to care for Eisenglass and or Strataglass. What's the difference between the two? We're on a 44 Aquila here today. This is Strataglass. It's hard plastic. You can't roll it. So if you were to open this up and zipper it up, the pieces are going to stay flat and in one piece. Eisenglass, on the other hand, is more pliable and you can roll it. You don't want to fold it. If you fold the Eisenglass, you're going to put creases in it. Now, one thing you got to be careful about, especially with the Eisenglass when you are rolling it in the saltwater environment, the water's got salt in it, obviously, so the water dries, the salt crystals stay behind. And then what happens when you roll that up, that salt is abrasive and it's going to start etching and scratching your Eisenglass. So before you roll it, make sure you wash it off with fresh water, dry it. Preferably, you can lay it flat. If you have to, you want to roll it up. Now, we've also, on cleaning it, I went talked to our detailers. These two products right here, Plexus, the detailers recommend this 210, are both excellent items for cleaning the Eisenglass and the Strataglass. It's anti-static. It'll actually fill in some smaller scratches and stuff like that. So this stuff works really well. The other thing too is you've got zippers here. So little snap and zipper lube goes a long way on any of your snaps on your canvas. If it's getting hard to snap on there, put a little dab of snap and zipper lube. And the same thing on your zippers. Just roll it down there. It's going to make life a lot easier for you when you're putting all the pieces back together. So it's a quick little run through on it, but get yourself some Plexus, a nice microfiber clean cloth, and try to keep your Strataglass and Eisenglass a little cleaner. Thanks guys. See you out on the water.